There we go. Jump on that. You pull. Okay, watch it right there. Okay. Pull up. Pull up. Okay. And then just reel down. Just pull up, reel down. You don't have to reel when you pull up. There you go. Now reel down. So you're taking up the slack as you pull. You're pulling them in by pulling up, and then you're taking in the slack of the line as you reel down. That's it. And then the drag, you hear that drag? Yeah. That's because it's set so it doesn't break the line. Let me put this one all the way here. There you go. Okay, that's fine. Just leave them right there. Down the water. Slide with the line. Take the pole back here and hold that for me. That's nice one. That's about 10 pounds. Hold them up here in front of the camera over there in the corner. Just show them. Okay, go ahead and throw them over the side. Okay.
Uh-huh.
Okay. That's the channel cat. See how it's brownish and yellow?
Yeah.
See how it looks different from yellow?
Uh-huh.
That's just the eyeball. Every day. Little channel cat.
Uh-huh. It's tapping it. There we go. Got him. Get him. Just pull up. There you go. And reel down. There you go. That's perfect. And if you hear the drag going out, that's fine. Let us work with it. And then whichever side of the boat you want to go to, I'll pull that pull up.
And it's not the same one. They got lots of them. That's a nice one. Let me get the pole out. Woo! 6 pounds. Now that's an eater right there. That's about the size of it.
Yeah. What's the case?
Here we go. Got something over here.
Do it fast. That's on.
Whoa, whoa. Okay. there, blue.
Blue bead.
Keep them right there. I need to get this down. Oh, okay. Another 5 pounders. Got it. £6.
I'll probably get 2 cards. Here we go. That one's going over. That one's picking out some line.
That one's a good one.
Straight. Keep us away from that. That's a pretty good one. I mean, if he's taking the line out like that, I might want to pull this one back here because I'm getting all the way out there.
There he is. Oh, that's nice. Yeah, you just hold him there.
That's a teener.
You don't have to reel it anymore. I like the extra slack too.
They get these ones that are in the teens,
Yeah.
from 10 to 20, are more active, so they fight pretty nice. Oop! Just ran them into the boat. Center of the boat. Got it. Step to the front. Grab that.
That's probably about 12 pounds.
28 3/4.
10 pounds, 28 3/4.
Half an hour. It's 9 o'clock, so we'll go till 9:30. Here we go. I'll pull that one up. That's taking some line out. That's going to pull the boat for us. We're going to be skinned. That is pulling us forward. Okay, pull up. Go down. There you go. He's just taking it out. You can hear the drag. Not making much progress with it. He's staying down.
Which way do I turn the drag?
The drag is a knob.
You just turn it to where it's a little tighter.
Which way?
Turn it that way. That's fine.
You don't want to make it too tight because you'll break the line. You want the drag. Otherwise we'll lose the fish. some bubbles coming up. That's nice. That's definitely 15 or so. Oh, that's got some nice swamp water in your drink.
No, it's up to
Okay, you're fine. Pull them up. Got him. Nope. Came out of it when you pulled it up. Come this way. Okay. I can't, when you're pulling it up like that, I can't get him in because the line's keeping it from coming in. There we go. Got him. That's a nice one. That's probably close to, that might be 17 pounds right there. 15 pounds, 33 inches. That's it for now. See you later.